Greetings to one and all present here. Myself are Suriya Krishna from class 11B, here to talk about the program from informatic practices. So today we are going to see about the program to find three number and print their sum. So first of all we need to write the identifier at the left side, and we need to write the is equal to symbol, and at the right side we need to write the int. The full form of int is integer. We are using it because we are going to write the numbers in the output. So if you are going to write any numbers which is in point, we need to write float. So if we need, at first we need to write int, then we need to put input. We are putting this input because we want the output to write their name or write any numbers here. So this is the reason why we are writing input right here. So after that we need to put a bracket and double quotes. It is not a string. We can write anything inside the string which we want to tell in the output. So similarly I have written num2 and num3, and at last I have written sum equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3, because I want to add all these numbers and want to show them in the output. So I have written sum equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3, and at last I want this sum to be printed, so that I have written sum bracket sum prints bracket sum bracket. Thank you.